right, this is from a follower. He says, what about code to redeem points on MTN? Yes, this is a question from a follower. In case you don't know about this, let me briefly explain it to you. MTN offers some gifts to its users in the form of points. So as you keep on buying airtime and bundle, some points are accumulated there for you, and later on you can redeem this point as either an airtime or bundle. It's just a gift for you. In case you don't know it, join me and let's get started. So now to do this, you dial star 550 hash, then you send. You'll be welcomed with this interface. Then you choose option 7, which says MTN Rewards. Welcome to MTN Reward. Accrue and redeem points with a reward of your choice. Allow up to 48 hours for your points to be credited. So you tap on option 1, then you press on send. Now you check point balance, you redeem your points, you transfer points. Okay, so here we need to check the points we are having so that we can know the kind of reward we can receive out of this. So you tap on option 1, that is check point balance. So option 1. Now you said yellow, your request for balance check is being processed. You will receive a notification soon. Now MTN gave me a notification over here, so you tap on it and you realize that it said, dear customer, your loyalty balance is 707. I just withdrawed mine some time ago. That is why I'm still having this. I'm having this few points. So we now know the amount or the quantity of points we are having. So we come back and dial star 550 hash. Then we send. Here we are going to redeem the points. So you tap on option 7, that is reward, MTN Rewards. Now you tap on option 1, that is continue. Now you go to redeem point. So do you want to use the points for airtime or redeem it as data bundle? So assuming I want to use it as airtime, I will select option 1. But if I want to use it as data bundle, I will select option 2. So I'll choose option 1, that is airtime, then tap on send. Now 500 points is equivalent to 25 Ghana pesos airtime. 1000 points is equivalent to 50 Ghana pesos airtime. 2000 points is equivalent to 1 Ghana cedi airtime. As I told you earlier on, I just withdrawed mine. That is why I'm having only 707 points. Here I can get 25 Ghana pesos airtime. But there are people who are not aware of this. So their point has been accumulated for a longer period of time, and they may have even more than 40,000 points. And 40,000 points is equivalent to 20 Ghana cedis airtime. You can just redeem this point, use it as airtime or bundle, and you enjoy it. That is it. Don't forget to like, share, and follow so that you and I can improve our tech knowledge together. As usual, my name is Kwesi Highest.